Hello. In this section, we will try to install the Quant Journey from the scratch and a run first strategies. So if you have an access to the repo, you should see this page with access all the code environment. So what I will do now, I will go to the Visual Studio, open new window, and here we'll clone the repository. So let me clone and I will put this Quant Journey. Okay, it's asking me where to put the data. So let's go to GitHub. Let's create Quant Journey directory and select this destination. And in a moment, we should see here. Would you like to open? Of course. So this is the same what you have an access on the GitHub. So you can see all the codes and the things. Okay, so let's prepare the environment. First, let's see what version of Python we have. I have first 3.12, right? So we need to create virtual environment. Okay, let's create virtual environment. Now let's source it. So now we should have Python showing our version and the things. The first thing in typical in environment is to Python, it's to install new pipe. If you're using pipe, we will use a poetry, but to set up poetry with all these dependencies for the libraries, we need to start these things. So when we have this, so I should have it once again, and I will try to install poetry. Okay, yeah, poetry is there. I think I need to get it again, and then we have all the files here. I put here the files like poetry, PyProject Tom, when all the dependencies are already. So let's try poetry install. It's getting this file, and now it's installing all the libraries required for Quant Journey. They are trimmed down only to those which are completely used by our system. Okay, in the meantime, I can open the another terminal and go, yeah, we are in here, and go to the config subdirectory, where is old-fashioned config.json, which is showing something wrong. And let me copy from well prepared with my data, so config.json. And this is configuration file with different passwords and APIs configs to different services. In the meantime, we have this done. So let's go poetry shell to initiate poetry. Okay, now we have everything here. So to start and to see if it works, also it has an API to our config. Let's run Quant Journey data. Yeah, the EOD connector, which is connecting to EOD historical data, but also using the API written in config.json. Let's try if it works. At the beginning, it will take a little bit more time to create everything, all the environment. You will see there will be a new directories in a moment on the left. It is creating at the beginning. Right, okay, it's create, and now it's looking for one of the unit tests. It's getting the A/B data for one of the campaign. The other thing important to note here is that I have a running database, a MongoDB. So if I go to the compass, you see this is a fresh installation of the MongoDB on my machine. So you need to do that separately. There is a information and a special file with this, how to do that. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we got a problem. It doesn't work. Okay, so let's see, refresh if it runs. Let's connect. Let's go again. Oh yeah. So for that, I need to get a terminal. Let me see if I have the other terminal. And yeah, that was here. Start Mongo. Okay, so now I go back to the MongoDB Compass, try to connect. Yes, I connected, but as you can see, there is no database. So I will go again to create a to create all the users and everything. Okay, it's created. It's another shell script on the in the main directory. You can see here it's a start MongoDB and create MongoDB.sh for a shell. So if I go now, refresh, I have the database, the basic database. Okay, so let's go back and try to the EOD connector to try to connect, but the prerequisite is the database is running. So you see, yeah, EBITDA is running. So we got the data. So we are connected and our config works. The other yellow color for something else like threads and on Quant and the others means that we are not provided this API. So it's like that. So when we have a system running, let's go to strategies. And I have one strategy just to show. It's a simple crossover strategy with getting the SMA short, SMA long signals and things, and plotting the stuff for it's Microsoft, Oracle, IBM for 15 years. Okay, let's try to run it. So Python, Quant Journey, backtesting, strategies, strategy crossover. Okay. So it's running, and in a moment we should see all the results and the plots. Let's hope it works. Yeah, at the beginning it can take a little bit more because there are some engines as well which are used in a backtester, and the main backtester strategy and class is here. So it can see that it takes a lot. Okay, yeah, perfect. So it's created all the plots. This is for Microsoft, this is for Oracle, and this is for I think IBM. It doesn't matter what is here, but just to show you how quickly we can get. Obviously, if you run it again, it'll be much faster, I hope. Yeah, it shows also some metrics here. Yeah, because all is pre-configured. So that's all. That's how easy, and in 2-3 minutes we can set up all the environment and get a Quant Journey running. Obviously, you can run any other files, but there will be another video and you can test yourself. Thank you.